Today we will learn first order active low pass filter. First order low pass filter. Low pass active filter. So you'll first draw the circuit. One operation amplifier, the output terminal, two input terminal. This is inverting and non-inverting. In the non-inverting terminal, we will connect one capacitor and one resistance. Why? Input voltage is there, Vi. This is R, this is C. In the inverting terminal, we will connect one feedback resistance, RF, and another resistance, R1. This is grounded. As I know, the operation amplifier is a high gain amplifier, but the input signal is V, output signal is VO. So this figure shows a low pass active filter, where filtering is done by RC network and the op-amp is used as unity gain amplifier. Here all the voltage Vi, Vx, Vy, V0 are measured with respect to ground. Now where is Vx? So this voltage is Vx and this voltage is Vy and this voltage is Vo. So here all the voltages Vi, Vx, Vy and V0 or Vo are measured with respect to ground. Since the input impedance of the op-amp is infinite, no current will flow into the input terminal. Here Vy is equal to the drop across R1. So V0 by R1 plus RF, this one is the current into R1 is the voltage Vy. So this is equation 1. Now Vx is equal to the capacitive reactance of this across this capacitor is Xc. So this is Vi by R plus Xc is the current and into Xc. We know Xc is equal to 1 upon j omega c. This is 1 upon j twice pi fc. So Vx is equal to x means 1 upon j twice pi fc into vi divided by r plus 1 upon j twice pi fc. This is equal to this twice pi fc, this twice pi fc is cancelling each other, so at the numerator there will be v I by 1 plus j twice pi fc into r. Since the op-amp gain is infinite, since the op-amp gain is infinite, therefore Vx is equal to Vy. So what we have seen, Vx and Vy are both the same. So V0 into R1 by R1 plus Rf is equal to Vi by 1 plus j twice pi f Rc. So Vo by Vi is equal to R1 plus Rf by R1 into 1 plus j twice pi f Rc. So if I divide the numerator by R1, it will be 1 plus Rf by R1 divided by 1 plus j twice pi f Rc. So V0 by Vi is equal to F by 1 plus j f by fc, where AF is equal to 1 plus Rf by R1. F is equal to frequency of the input signal and Fc is equal to 1 by twice pi Rc. So this is called closed loop gain of the filter as a function of frequency. The gain magnitude this is called ACL. ACL means closed loop gain. Is the gain magnitude, that is magnitude of ACL, is equal to mod V0 by Vi is equal to AF by under root 1 plus F by Fc whole square. This is equal to AF by 1 plus omega square R square C square, and phi is equal to 10 inverse F by Fc. This is equal to 10 inverse WRC minus negative. So this is active low pass filter.